Imagine an AI model that doesn't just follow data, but learns from what we like, what we prefer, and what we find helpful. That's the magic behind one of the most influential techniques in modern AI, reinforcement learning from human feedback, or RLHF. It's how today's top models, chatbots, co-pilots, and digital assistants behave in ways that feel natural, polite, safe, and aligned with human expectations. But how does this actually work? How do humans teach an AI model without coding it directly? And why is RLHF becoming the baseline for AI systems across every industry? Today, we'll break this down with real-world examples, intuitive metaphors, and a simple mental model that anyone can understand. Why RLHF exists. AI models learn from data, but data alone can't tell an AI what we prefer. For example, a model might generate factual answers, but in a blunt tone, or summarize text correctly, but in a way humans don't like, or write code, but forgets to explain it simply. We need a way to shape behavior, not just correctness. RLHF is the human steering wheel that guides an AI's personality, helpfulness, and safety. Imagine training a dog. You reward good actions. You discourage unwanted ones. Over time, the behavior aligns with your expectations. RLHF does the same, but at the speed of computation. The RLHF pipeline, explained simply. Break it down into 3 major stages. 1. Supervised fine-tuning. Humans write ideal examples of good behavior. Example: what is reinforcement learning? A human writes the perfect answer. The model learns from these gold standard samples. This sets the tone, format, and style. 2. Reward model training. Now humans compare multiple model responses. Example: a model gives 3 responses. A, too long. B, clear and friendly. C, confusing. Humans rank them. The AI learns what humans prefer using these ranked examples. Behind the scenes, a reward model is trained to predict the human preferred answer. Three, reinforcement learning. Finally, the core stage. The main model generates responses. The reward model scores them. High score, reward. Low score, penalty. The RL algorithm, often PPO, proximal policy optimization, adjusts the main model to maximize rewards. This is where the model learns politeness, clarity, safety, helpfulness, alignment with instructions. Simple analogy. It's like training a robot with a reward meter that lights up whenever it does something humans love. Real-world examples. Chatbots. They may produce factual answers, but sound robotic or blunt. They respond in a more human-friendly, concise, empathetic manner. Coding assistants. They give raw code. They explain the code, offer alternatives, warn about pitfalls. Content generation models. RLHF reduces harmful content by punishing unwanted behavior and rewarding safe outputs. Autonomous agents. Human feedback teaches agents how to prioritize tasks, how to avoid risky decisions, how to remain aligned with human goals. Why RLHF matters for the future. RLHF is at the heart of modern AI safety and alignment. It allows models to handle ambiguity, follow human values, adapt to cultural context, avoid harmful instructions, provide more balanced reasoning. Massive AI systems evolving at rapid speed need a human behavior compass. RLHF is that compass. Limitations and new directions. RLHF isn't perfect. Limitations. Human feedback can be biased. Reward hacking. The model learns to game the reward system. Costly. Requires huge amounts of human labor. Doesn't fully capture nuanced values. Upcoming innovations. Reinforcement learning from AI feedback. Constitutional AI. Preference models from large-scale datasets. Interactive feedback loops from real users. RLHF is one of the biggest breakthroughs shaping today's AI revolution. It's how we make AI not just smart, but aligned, not just capable, but human compatible. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.